Welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students who create fun learning activities for kids. Our activities are focused on reading, writing, and math. Thank you for joining us to learn today. My name is Emma, and I'm going to be helping you out today. In today's activity, we'll be learning about what each coin looks like and what it's worth. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about money and one part of money, which is coins. So let's talk about what we're going to need for this activity first. First, we're going to need paper. Then you're going to need a pencil and a pen. Then you're going to need colored pencils. And then you're also going to need one of every coin. So you're going to need a penny, a nickel, a dime, and a quarter. So this is a penny. So here are a few facts about a penny. So this is what a penny looks like. One fact about it is that it is copper, so it's the only coin that's this color. So that just means it's more of a reddish color than the other ones. And it is worth 1 cent, and it is worth the least amount as a coin. So all the other coins are worth more. This is worth the least. So next we have a nickel. This is what a nickel looks like. So a nickel is silver, and it is bigger than a penny. So this is how you can see what the size difference looks like. It is bigger than a penny. It is worth 5 cents, so it's worth more than a penny too. It's worth 5 cents. Next, we have a dime. So a dime is also silver, and it is the smallest coin. So as you can see, it is smaller than a penny and a nickel, so it is the smallest coin. But just because it is small doesn't mean that it's not worth a lot. A dime is worth 10 cents. A dime is worth more than a penny and a nickel, even though it's smaller than them. Lastly, we have a quarter. This is what a quarter looks like. It is silver. It is the biggest coin. So compared to the other coins, this one is the biggest coin. So this is it next to all the other coins, and as you can see, the quarter is the biggest coin. So this is a quarter. So this is what it looks like, and it is silver. It is the biggest coin, and it is worth the most. It is worth 25 cents. So a quarter is the biggest coin, and it's also worth the most. Alright, before we move on, I want to show you an up-close view of what the front and back of each coin looks like. So this is what the front of a penny looks like, and this is what the back of a penny looks like. This is what the front of a nickel looks like, and this is what the back of a nickel looks like. This is what the front of a dime looks like. And this is what the back of a dime looks like. And then this is what the front of a quarter looks like. So the back of a quarter is usually different because there's one for every state, and then there's a regular one. But this is always what the front of a quarter looks like. Alright, now let's go over these and see if you remember them. So what is the name of this coin? Penny! Good job. And what is it worth? 1 cent. Good job. What is the name of this coin? A nickel. Good job. And what is it worth? 5 cents. Good job. Alright, 2 more. What is the name of this coin? A dime. Good job. And what is it worth? 10 cents. Good job. Alright, last one. What is the name of this coin? A quarter. Good job. And what is it worth? 25 cents. Good job. Alright, so now that we've gone over the coins, let's do an activity. So this is going to be called a coin caterpillar. So first thing you're going to do is take your pencil for this activity, and then your coins. That's what you're going to need right now. So first, we're going to take our pencil, and we're going to draw a big circle on the left side of our paper, like this. Just like that. Try your best. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just draw a bigger circle on the left side, this side of your paper. So So now we're going to draw 6 small circles, but we're going to base them off of the sizes of our coins. So we're going to trace each coin to make these circles. So for the first circle, we're going to take a nickel. So go get your nickel. So we're going to take our nickel and we're going to put it right next to the big circle, just like that. We're going to put our nickel right there, and we're going to put our finger on it, and we're going to draw a circle around it. So now when you lift it up, it should look like that. And then you can just take your eraser and erase anything off of the main circle shape. So it looks like a nice circle. Now for the next circle, we're going to take our quarter. So grab your quarter and put it right next to that nickel circle. And we're going to hold it down, and we're going to trace around it with our pencil. And there we have our quarter circle. Good job. Now for the next circle, we're going to take our dime. So we're going to take our dime and we're going to put it right next to the quarter circle, just like that. And we're going to hold it down and trace our circle. Good job. And then remember just to erase anything that comes off of it. Now we're going to trace our penny. So take your penny and put it right next to the dime circle. And then we're just going to hold it down and trace our circle around it. So now we're just going to take our penny and we're going to put it right next to the dime circle, and then we're just going to hold it down and trace our circle around it. Now for the next circle, we're going to take the dime again and we're going to put it right next to the penny, and we're going to trace this one again. So just do the same thing that you've been doing. Good job. Now for the last circle, we're going to take the penny again. Alright, so when you're done drawing all your circles, it should look something like this. So now we're going to draw a little antenna on our first one. So I'm just going to draw a line up like that, and then do a little circle right there, and another line like that, and another circle right there for the antenna for my caterpillar. And then I'm going to draw little legs on each of the coins. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 1, 2, just little lines on each of the circles because it's a caterpillar. Good job. So now we're going to move on to our next step, which is coloring in the circles. So we're going to take our colored pencils, and you're going to want to grab orange for copper for our pennies, and gray for our silver coins. If you don't have a gray colored pencil, you can also use regular pencil for this. So I'm going to use an orange colored pencil and then a regular pencil because I don't have a gray colored pencil. So for the first coins, we're going to color the first 3 in gray. So you can take your pencil or your colored pencil and go right here and just shade it in to make it so that it's gray. And now we're just going to do the same thing with the next one and the one after that. Alright, now the next one we're going to color in is going to be orange. So we're just going to do the same thing, just kind of shade it. And then the coin after that is going to be gray again. So we're just going to shade this one in gray. And then the last one is going to be orange again. Good job. So now we're going to take our pen, or you can take a marker or something like that, and we're going to write the first letter of each of the coins on the coin so we know what kind it is. So for the first one, here we had a nickel. So we're going to write N on the coin for nickel. So I just drew an N on there with my pen, and it looks something like this. And if you need help, you can always have a grown-up help you too, if you can't do the letters. So I just did an N on the first one. Then the second one, we traced a quarter. So we're going to write a Q on there. So I wrote a Q on the second one for a quarter. Then on the third one, we traced a dime. So we're going to write a D on the next circle. So there I wrote a D on the circle for dime. Then on the next circle, we drew a penny. So I'm going to write a P on the next circle for penny. So on this circle, I wrote a P for penny. Now on the next circle, we traced a dime again. So I'm gonna write a D on this circle for dime. So now there's a D on there for dime. And then on the last circle, we traced the penny again. So we're gonna write a P for penny. Perfect, good job. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through and underneath each circle, we're gonna write the value of that coin. So under nickel, we're gonna write the value of a nickel. So how much is a nickel worth? 5 cents, good job. So we're gonna go right under nickel and we're gonna write 5 cents. Good job. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. Good job. So under quarter, we're gonna write 25 cents. Good job. Now how much is a dime worth? 10 cents. So under here, we're gonna write 10 cents. Good job. And how much is a penny worth? 1 cent. Good job. So under here, I'm just gonna write this one a little bit below. We're gonna write 1 cent. And then how much is a dime worth again? 10 cents. Good job. So we're just gonna write 10 cents again. And then last one, how much is a penny worth again? 1 cent. Good job. So now we just finished our coin caterpillar. So here we can see the size of each coin, have the first letter to remember what its name is, and what it's worth. Good job, guys. Thank you for learning with us today. We hope you come back and learn some more soon. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back soon with more fun educational videos.